Everything is going smoothly. No, just you know you want to be at the top of the wood. As long as you're at the top of the wood, you're good, okay? Yep, screed it off. Good job. There you go. And whatever excess is, you just put it on the ground. Doesn't really matter. Top of the wood is your height you want to be, for the most part. Okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's where you want to be. What I'm saying?
I didn't want to get no crank in it. That's why I'm working the slow like that. I didn't want to crap up on you. I know what to do to you.
Yeah.
And what bent on you and
your piece of shit. Man, take it off. Strip it off, man.
I want to take my time.
I told you in Florida. I gotta take my sweatshirt off too, man. Oh, y'all now y'all trying to get concrete on me. Y'all doing that now. You good there? You good there? Remember, the block is gonna go right here with this, right here. So you good? All right, good. So what we're doing is pouring a concrete footer here, as you can see. That's the first truck there. And we here. So we got going on, people. Good day to pour concrete, though. Teaching you guys how to screed it off. Huh? I told him it'll be tight on another hour. Yeah, for sure.
You probably got that. What is it? Quick. They probably got quick set and some more shit in it. Probably.
Hey man, quit stripping on my job, man. What's wrong with you? PG, you up here taking your shirt and stuff off? So yeah, they're screeding it off. And all they're doing is screeding it off. Make sure that it's not really overflowing or it's too low or what have you, because we're gonna have block that's gonna be coming here where all you see is rebar here. That's what we got going on. So maybe tomorrow we'll start taking these forms off, and the survey company is going to come by and put the corners in. They're going to put pins in there, and that's going to identify my corners where I'm going to snap a line, which you're going to see, and that's where my block is going to go. I'll give you some more insight on that. It is getting kind of hot out here now. This is 2-inch holes with, I think this is 4,000 or 3,000 pump mix. Gelling up there, and it's just flowing. Yeah, stop it.
Watch your boat. Watch your boat.
Are you trying to knock me down, man?
I don't want to.
All right, sir. All right, let me get up here where you are. Let me get up here with it. Where royalty is. Let me get up here where royalty is, right here. So why you what's wrong with your battery, man? With your truck? You had to get a new battery?
Yeah, I carried the world, man. I think it's going to change the one.
So something was wrong with the battery?
Yeah, I know it was battery.
Man, all you need to just throw that in the garbage, man. The whole thing, just throw it in the garbage.
I know about that.
That's what you should do. I told you about coming on my job with these inferior machines. Nah, he does a great job, man. That's what we do. We always have levity to this whole process. So the guys are here. I don't know how many, this is 10 yards right there in that truck. Hopefully the other truck is on its way. We gotta pull all the way around here, man. Hey, it'd be easier to get dirt from there and just put it over there. It'd be easier to get dirt from the stack here. It's softer. You act like you don't even know what I just said. I said it would be easier for you, instead of trying to do that, just grab dirt from here and just put it there. That's all it is. You don't have to work hard. You don't have to work hard. Just take it. See the shovel going there? Damn, boom. And put it right there. You go. You see? Look at that. Look at, you just learned something. Golly. Boy, I know we're in construction, but you don't have to kill yourself out here, bro. Okay, all right, you know what? Do it your way. Go ahead. I know, but it's hard there. I don't even know why I'm explaining right now. You know what? Go ahead. Go ahead. You'll learn. You young. You'll learn. All right, here we go right here. So we got to pour all this here. Like I said, it's a beautiful day today. This is the footer that we pour. You see all the rebar in here. Got the caps on here, which is safety caps. Got to have that on there, which we do. So nobody won't fall like me, tripping in, fall and gorge myself with the rebar. The higher ones I'm not really worried about because I'm not worried about it. I'm not that high, but where I am right now, these bars are below me. So I want to make sure that I'm safe here. Okay? So I think that truck is done. Is the truck done? I'm gonna move my truck because I don't want to clean out by these trees. We got a whole stack over here. So if I'm not here dealing, everybody cleaning up over there, okay? All right, we good.